Rockin Platinum Series Dirty Diaper Powdered by Rockin Green is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper accessories products. Dirty diaper detergent. Make sure your baby's cloth diapers are clean and safe with the manufacturer's proven laundry detergent that is strong enough for the tough stains, and gentle enough for baby's skin. Natural cloth diaper detergent. This detergent is vegan and cruelty-free and doesn't rely on dyes and harmful chemicals like SLES, SLES, phosphates, parabens, and artificial fragrances. Removes even stubborn stains. The manufacturer's cloth diaper detergent uses a broad-spectrum enzyme blend to remove stains from fat, protein and starch to deep clean and remove odors and biological residue. Ideal for all washing machines. Wash up to 90 loads in front-load machines or 45 loads in top-load machines. The manufacturer's diaper detergent is compatible and easy to use. No chemical smell. Enjoy the manufacturer's tea tree oil scent in the manufacturer's natural cloth diaper detergent. The manufacturer's product is gentle on baby's skin, and naturally protects fibers of cloth diapers, to ensure they last longer.